Step-by-step guidance on growing potatoes in cardboard boxes. Have you ever thought staring at an everyday cardboard box, the type often found in the recycling container? This could feed my family. Sounds odd, don't they? The unexpected turn is using just cardboard, a little soil, and a few sprouting potatoes. You may produce a surprisingly large potato crop. And what topped this? It's nearly free, environmental friendly, and somewhat magical. This is more than simply a gardening tip. It's a tale of converting garbage into riches. Consider turning something meant for the trash into dinner on your table. That's the appeal of growing potatoes in cardboard containers. Today, I will demonstrate step by step precisely how to raise potato this way. And in passing, I will also provide answers of the most often asked queries like how many days it takes to grow potato, how deep to plant potatoes, and even how long potatoes take to grow. And since this is more than just a know-how manual, I will also include 5 events meant to stimulate your ideas so you may remark upon arrival. Ready? Let's us start digging. First stage, knowing the potato plant. Knowing how potatoes grow will benefit you before you begin planting them. Unlike tomatoes or cucumbers, potatoes do not grow from seeds. Rather, they develop from tubers, the starchy, sprouting tiny clumps you often find at the bottom of your pantry. Every bark on a potato has the ability to develop into a fresh potato plant. The plant generates roots, develops into tubers, the potatoes you will finally eat. Have you ever come across a sprouting potato in your kitchen and consider whether is it edible or if you should plant it instead? In the comments, provide your team eat it or team plant it. Step 2. Arranging your cardboard box. Here is the magic twist occurrence. You will be cultivating your potatoes in cardboard instead of using elaborate containers or expensive grow bags. Get a strong cardboard, somewhat the size of a moving container. It only needs to retain soil for a few months. It need not be flawless. Find a spot for it that receives at least 6 to 8 hours of sunshine every day. One can use a patio, balcony, driveway, or backyard area. Line the bottom with some stretched paper, straw, or compost. Your potato roots will already be established by the time the cardboard finally softens and decay. Step 3. Correct potato planting. Slice your seed potatoes or sprouting store potatoes into sections with at least 1 eye each. Allow them to dry for a day or two to create a colors, hence avoiding rotting. Under your box, lay 3 to 4 potato slices. Cover with 4 to 6 inches of compost or soil. Keep adding more soil to cover the stems as the plants reach 6 to 8 inches. This is known as healing. It fosters the development of more tubers along the buried stems. Some gardeners swear by planting whole potatoes instead of cutting them. Comment your choice below. Better results from full potatoes or chunks. Step 4. Your potato plant needs watering and care. Though potatoes like consistent humidity, soggy soil is bad. Once or twice weekly, depending on your environment, water thoroughly. Cardboard drains well since it is porous, but you might have to water somewhat more regularly. You do not need costly fertilizer. Your potato will continue strong with compost, kitchen scraps, or diluted compost tea. Watch for pests. Usually a fast pick fixes the issue. Fifth, the waiting game. How long potatoes grow? The question everyone asks is how many days it takes to grow potato. From planting to harvest, most kinds need 90 to 120 days. baby potatoes can be pulled earlier, after around 60 to 70 days. Pro tip: when the potato plants bloom, that's your indicator that tubings are developing. Your crop is ready when that leaves die back and turn yellow. Potatoes call for patience, but be truthful. Are you the sort who digs early to steal a few baby potatoes, or do you wait till the end for the large harvest? Step 6: Gathering. The most fulfilling section. Growing potatoes in cardboard box become here enjoyable. You just tear the cardboard box open rather than digging and running the danger of slashing your potatoes with a shovel. The dirt pours out, and there they are, your golden potato slash. One feels as though one is opening a present, plunging your hands into the earth and producing freshly grown food you created seems nearly childlike. What is your best approach to consume potato? Mash, roasted, fries, or chips? In the comments, let us resolve the big potato debate. Step 7: Beyond white potatoes, sweet surprises. Once you are provisioned with cardboard box potatoes, you could be intrigued by others' varieties. Many people wonder how to cultivate sweet potatoes, which follow a similar but somewhat different process. Sweet potatoes are started from slicks, shoot downs from a matured sweet potato rather than tubers that sprouts. They too benefit from cardboard boxes. Step 8: Why you will want to try cardboard boxes and why they work. Environmentally friendly. The cardboard decomposes naturally, economical, no need of specialized luggage or containers. You can transport the box if the sun shifts. Simply rip the box and gather your crops. Harvesting is simple. Beginner friendly, ideal for people new to potato planting. And here's the twist: you can compost spent cardboard and soil from your garden once you harvest. Nothing is wasted. Step 9: When to plant potatoes. Timing. Another often asked query: when to plant potatoes? In chilly regions, early springs, when the earth is ready. In late winter or even autumn will be appropriate in warmer regions. The crucial factor is soil temperature. Potatoes grow best when the temperature of the soil range from 45 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Step 10. Last thoughts. The varieties. The twist I promise and the onset is here. Growing food can be inexpensive, complex, or even landless. A cardboard box, the symbol of this possibility, can really show us how to be self-reliant, creative, and tied to our food. Stop for a moment the following time you are ready to throw a cardboard into the recycling bin. Ask yourself, could this box grow dinner? Suppose you just harvest a sizable crop of box-grown potatoes. Share them first and what dinner you might prepare with below.